Your pluggable power distribution up to 35 amperes in a confined space. The PRC installation system. Safe use under extreme ambient conditions such as cold, humidity, dirt and mechanical strain. You can use the crimp connection technology for pre-assembly in the factory and the screw versions for on-site assembly. Release the locking by hand or using a screwdriver. Mechanical and color coding prevents unintentional mismatching. Thanks to comprehensive approvals, PRC is your ideal power distribution solution for a variety of applications.